Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And today is my collab with J Dolls UK. And this is a collab that we ask you to join in on under the hashtag DollsGoneGothCupid for Cupid's cousin. And the idea was a twisted Cupid. You know, got that funny sense of humor, or maybe she's mean, or maybe she shoots her arrow a little lower than, you know, Cupid does. But who is she aiming at? You've heard of the Princess and the Frog? This is the Prince and the Frog Lady. And I guess the matchup isn't awful because they would still have, their children would still have color-changing eyes. I love that matchup. I can't wait to share with you what Darren has made for my Twisted Cupids. Not only did he make a crossbow for my Twisted Cupid, can you see the bolts on the back of her hand for her crossbow? Of course, he made the headband and the stand, and I wanted her barefoot because Cupid. But these bat wings, I love these bat wings. They're just fun and funny. And then my little girl, my mini Blythe, who also wanted to be in this, who I have named Friday, kind of like Wednesday, only Friday. I've got her in the stand, kind of funny. Of course, he made that stand. He also made her a little crossbow, and I have blue tack on there to hold it, and I got too much, but it's still cute. And then he made these wings. He actually made 2 more sets of these. I had these for my it's a different doll, Maleficent, when I did the small Blythe, the mini Blythe, the petite Blythe, Maleficent. He made this set of wings. These take 7 hours on the 3D printer. And he printed 2 more because not only did I want another set for my Twisted Cupid, he was nice enough to make a set for Wednesday and Gilly Together's channel. Stop by and see the beautiful, see what she did today. He also made the little shoes for the Petite Blythe, which I absolutely love. He makes those in a bunch of colors. So I am just tickled pink with my Twisted Cupids. A huge thank you to J Dolls UK. Be sure you go by her channel today and see what she has for us. I'm really looking forward. She's quite clever. And go to the hashtag DollsGoneGothCupid and see everybody that participated, because I saw one that's going to premiere today, Happy Hoarder. And I am really looking forward. She is quite clever. She does art dolls, and there's going to be others. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.